Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here for my weekly Walmart grocery haul video and weekly meal plan. So if you've been around my channel, you know I love to keep our grocery budget under $200 per week. I plan out all of our meals on everything we're gonna have and do one big grocery pickup. Well, this week I was way under budget. I was at $170, actually $170.82 to be exact. So definitely under $200. I have our whole meal plan. I have it right here. I will share it with you, the whole meal plan for the week, all of the groceries. So I do a grocery pickup from Walmart once a week, plan out all of our meals so that we are super organized and so that we have zero food waste. And I make sure we're using everything that we get from the grocery store. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe below and put that notification button on right next to subscribe so you get a notification each time I post new videos. Tons of meal planning videos and meal prepping. So if you need some motivation to do some meal planning or meal prepping, definitely click subscribe. Lots of ideas for you. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I'm gonna show you all of our groceries for the week along with our meal plan. All right, so here is the grocery pickup for the week, all of our food, and I'm gonna share with you everything that we got, and I will then share with you the meal plan. So I will start over on this side, our 2 packs of 18-pack of eggs. Both of the kids have been eating eggs lately, so we go through a lot of eggs. I got some salmon. My kids, literally they beg for salmon like every night of the week. So that's totally fine with me. It is so delicious and so healthy. So we're gonna have salmon one night this week. I got a big bag of shredded cheddar cheese, our gallon of milk that we go through each week, 2 things of almond milk. My husband uses these for his protein drinks. And I get the unsweetened. It's 30 calories per serving. It's good. We like this one. Our sliced cheese for the week. So I got some bacon. This package is like totally kind of beat up, but I got some bacon. I like this one, this Bar S, and anything that is thick cut bacon is so good. But I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be doing a chicken bacon ranch for my meal prep this week. Here is the chicken down here that we'll have for the week. Definitely we grill it up for salads, sandwiches. I'll be doing it for I'm going to do a sheet pan meal for the chicken bacon ranch for meal prep. So big pack of chicken, a big pack of ground beef. We're going to do smash burgers on our Blackstone. If you've been around my channel, you know, each week in the grocery haul, I try and get stuff for at least one meal on the Blackstone per week. We love it. So fun to use. This is like a thick cut ham. So classic sliced smoked ham. Zachary really likes this one, and it's really good. I put it with my eggs for breakfast, but Zachary likes it with like cheese and crackers for lunch. So really, really good. Our avocados for the week. We love avocados. All of the bananas for the week. Go through a lot of bananas. I got some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to be making some soup, and I love adding heavy whipping cream. If it's a keto soup, it just gives it that extra fat for keto, extra calories, and makes it nice and creamy. So I'm going to be using that for soup. I got a frozen pizza. I don't have it on our meal plan for this week, but our nights are always super busy. We have soccer practice 3 nights a week. We have Boy Scouts this week. We are just busy. So I got this just in case we get into a pinch. And this is our favorite, the Rising Crust DiGiorno. It is definitely the family favorite. I got apples for the week. We get these. They are... So Gala apples, this is the kind that we like, and big bag of those. My kids, they want apples pretty much every day. I got some corn that we will have when we have smash burgers. Corn is so good right now towards the end of summer, so I definitely wanted to get some before it goes out of season. Baby carrots, we always get baby carrots almost every week. Some strawberries, these look so good. And I usually always get blueberries, but they were really expensive this week, so we still have some left over from last week. So I thought we would mix it up and get strawberries. some fajita seasoning. I'm going to be doing a chicken fajita soup in a few days. So I just love convenient seasoning mix packets. Just makes everything so much easier. If you've been around my channel, you know I get these quite often because we do taco night every single week. But it's a soft tortilla mini bowl. So they're like a mini soft taco, but it's like a bowl, and my kids love these. So actually on the Walmart app, when I was ordering these, it said if you get two, you get 50 cents back from the manufacturer. So that was kind of cool. So I just clipped that coupon, and I haven't seen that before, but I always get two anyways. So that was kind of neat to save 50 cents. The mac and cheese, we were totally out, so I got a whole bunch to stock up. We get just the Great Value brand. As you can see, I get lots of Great Value brand stuff, and I think it tastes just as good as any name brand. But this is 60 cents a box, so definitely like the cheapest thing ever. And my kids, they like macaroni and cheese, so we do it every once in a while, but definitely had to stock up the pantry on that. You guys know I get multigrain Cheerios all the time. My kids love them. They have them, they want Cheerios for snacks sometimes, so we go through a lot of Cheerios. This French vanilla almond granola, it is perfect on like a vanilla Greek yogurt as a snack. Really, really good. Got a couple canned food things, got black beans and corn, and this will be for my chicken fajita soup. I've got cauliflower and broccoli. This will be for my meal prep with my chicken bacon ranch. I got some more broccoli because broccoli is my kids' favorite, and I just like this bagged one. You just pop it in the microwave, you like poke a couple holes in it, and it just steams right in the bag, so it's so convenient. So that will be for dinner one night. A big pack of tortillas. Benjamin loves quesadillas, so we go through a lot of cheese and tortillas. I got my lettuce for the week. You guys, if you've been on my channel, you know how much I love salads, so I make salads all the time. So some lettuce for that, some croutons for salads, sandwich thins that we get every single week. So 2 packs of sandwich thins. They're really cool. If you are not familiar with sandwich thins, there's like this thin little kind of bun sandwich, and they're 100 calories each. And my husband loves these. He uses them for breakfast sandwiches, and he uses them for all kinds of other sandwiches. So the lettuce, frozen edamame. We love frozen edamame. It's so easy and convenient. Some frozen strawberries for smoothies. And what I love about the Walmart app is that you can see how much everything costs. And this smaller bag, this is a 16-ounce bag, it's actually cheaper like per ounce than the bigger bag. So I've been getting the cheaper one because the smaller one because it's cheaper per quantity. So strawberries, buns for smash burgers, and I got a lot of popcorn. So we had back to school night last week, and one of the things that one of the boys' classes wanted was butter, or I'm sorry, I got light butter, but popcorn for snacks, and so loaded up on that. They didn't say how much they wanted, so I think that 3 big boxes should be good for now, but that's for school, so I'll take that to the school when I pick the kids up later today. And here is everything that I wrote out. I'll zoom in a little bit because it's kind of small, but our dinners for the week. So if you saw my meal prep from last week, I did a honey garlic shrimp, and it was seriously delicious. It was so good. I've made it before, but it was so good to have that last week. So I'm going to do a honey garlic chicken, and just the honey garlic taste is so good. So honey garlic chicken. Tuesdays, we do tacos literally every single Tuesday. We have soccer, so we don't get home until later, and I pre-make our taco meat, so it is ready to go, and it is the quickest, fastest dinner ever. So Tuesdays, Taco Tuesday. Wednesday, salmon, which salmon is so quick and easy to make. So it's a good weeknight meal for us. So we'll do salmon on Wednesday. Tuesday, we'll do chicken Caesar salad. Friday, we'll do some barbecue chicken with vegetables. Saturday, we're going to do the Blackstone smash burgers. And Sunday, I'm going to make a big batch of chicken tortilla soup. So super excited for that soup. I haven't made it in a while because it's obviously been a little too hot for soup, but now it is starting to become soup weather. So I love it. So these are our meals. Sometimes I might skip around and change days on things, but this is just an idea of what I'm going to go off of. The meal prep, so check back this weekend for my meal prep. I'm going to do a chicken bacon ranch sheet pan meal. I love sheet pan meals. So easy and very little cleanup with just the sheet pan and some other small things to cook with, but it's going to have broccoli and cauliflower. So super healthy, nice keto recipe for meal prep for this week. So this is all of the groceries and everything we're going to have. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. I have so much fun making these grocery haul videos for you. You guys seem to be liking them, so I will keep making them for you. So I hope you have a really great week this week. If you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment. I'll get back to you in the comment section. And I hope you have a really wonderful day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.